Hey, this is Brett with Fathom Realty. I wanted to show you, since it's the end of the year, I want to show you a property we did we closed in February of this year, what happened with it, and why it's kind of a special property, but it's consistent with all our properties, this stuff. But I want to show you this particular one because we turned it from a two-bedroom into a three-bedroom. And how did I know it was a three-bedroom? It was 1,155 square foot, and if you look at the pictures here, he had pictures of the third bedroom, and he also mentions it in his comments. But you can see it needs some work, finishing work, but it was there. So I knew immediately I could turn this into a three bedroom. Would just take the equity to a new level. The property had an existing tenant in. That's why it took a little time to close. You can see he was some kind of a musician, very talented guy. He had a lot of stuff there, but we got it for $20,000 less than asking price because it was a two bedroom. I recognized it, and I'm not too worried about asking the correct price for houses. So when you look at this, you saw that particular house and kind of the two bedroom. I said, well, I can make that a three bedroom. Well, so I did that. So let's look at this is the finished pictures. We do before and after pictures on everything. This is your finished bedroom up there. You can see we put a new ceiling, light, plugs, switches, a new closet. Everything's new there. So the property ended up renting for $1,200. You can see it's a 3-1, and it rented in 4 days. Now that's a 1,250 house now, but it's also growing in equity. So it's $135,000 house on today's market. But it's a really great way to purchase real estate. And I'm always looking for stuff like that for my clients. I'm always looking for stuff with equity, good deals, something we can fix up and do different. Maybe, add some equity, but they always rent for what I'd say they're going to rent almost 100% of the time because we have a very good grasp on this particular market. It's just a great opportunity for investors when they purchase these houses. Now, if you're looking for investment real estate, and by the way, this particular tenant, I called the property management before I did this video, but this particular tenant's paying on time, been there, is a great tenant for the last 8 months. They're going to, most of their tenants, the tenants that we place, say an average of about 15 months. That's awesome for any kind of investor. So if you're looking for any kind of investment real estate or anything like that, give me a look. I have a blog, as you can see, it has over 5 million hits. 5 million. And it's at clevelandincomerealestate.com. I put a new blog on there every day. So you can, learn. It's free, doesn't cost anything, but I do add them every day, and you can check them out at clevelandincomerealestate.com. You can also go to, if you're listing your home, I just went to a listing presentation over in Solon yesterday, and I'm going to save those folks $4,300 in commission. $4,300. That's a lot of money. Take a vacation on that, like I say. So we're going to save you a lot of money on that. And you can also catch me on Zillow. I do have a profile there, and I got some reviews and sales, and you see kind of what I do. But my name's Brett with Fathom Realty. My number is 216-703-5740. 216-703-5740. I've been doing this for a long time, and I look forward to talking to you. If you're looking for real estate, give me a call. Thanks.